Hello YouTube, how are you all? And we have a very special bike on my channel today. So my friend got this bike around a month ago. We've been thinking of making a video on it, and because I was especially very excited as I recently got into carbureted bikes and two-stroke bikes. So no, this is not a two-stroke. This is a 2002 Yamaha Thundercat 600 which has 4 carburetors. It doesn't run on fuel injected shit. This is carbureted, so pure unadulterated fun. And those of you asking for specifications and all, it'll be down there. And this bike does not have ABS, ESP, Lodalis and all those latest technologies, so it's pretty raw and enjoyable. So let's get onto the bike, take it for a short spin, and it's gonna be my first time experiencing a 4-cylinder which is carbureted. I just hope my camera angle is correct. I've been playing around with multiple camera angles. Sounds sweet. It's got a Yoshimura shoddy pipe. It sounds absolutely mental. The throttle is a bit hard. Yep. Ayya bejati. Fuck, it's raining. भैया दबा के रही.
Eventually,
so I had to delay that. Choke खींचना क्या? Choke. So the bike has a choke as well, so we had to delay it a bit because of the rain. So let's go take a short spin. चलेंगे? It's the first time I'm riding a carbureted bike and I'm very excited. See how it fares. And these bikes are quite rare as well. आजकल तो शोरूम से आ रहे गाड़ियाँ हर कोई ईगो और फैशन स्टेटमेंट के साथ उठा ले रहे स्पोर्ट्स बाइक्स.
सारी दुनिया में एक मुंह वाले में है बल.
But these bikes come from an era when only pure petrol heads used to import and ride these bikes. Now it's a fully legal bike. It's not a grey. Makes around roughly 100 brake horsepower. Lovely. साउंड क्या प्यारा है भाई. योशिमुरा का शॉर्ट पाइप है भाई. Fuck. I'll be very honest, comparing this to an FI, it's a bit hard, but the fueling is spot on, man. Like feel नहीं हो रहा पुरानी गाड़ी है या it's not an FI करके. It's a bit hard, but that's that. It's in very good condition. Handle सब set है. Otherwise most old super bikes are bought by people who want 2-3 लाख रुपए में अपने साउंड की गाड़ी होना type. My friend's a true petrol head. He's got quite a collection, so it's very neatly maintained and मजा आ रहा भाई. जल्दी निकलेंगे भाई. Only thing it doesn't like bad roads. The idling is a bit different though. It's not that smooth driving. It's a bit muscle car kind of sound. Fuck! Damn, this thing's evil. This over gonna be 600 any day. Chinese stuff. Anyhow, so what are the advantages of having and disadvantages of having a carbureted bike versus a fuel injected bike? I know a lot of you here don't know, because अपने पास स्पोर्ट्स बाइक्स का अभी रिसेंटली शुरू हुआ, and not many people are aware that पुराने वाले बड़े गाड़ियाँ भी carbureted आते थे. Carburetors are much easier to service, much easier to clean, much easier to tune and work on. Like carbureted bikes, they can be ported, they can be tuned. They don't need that much electronic power commander, लोड़ा लसन की ज़रूरत नहीं रहती. So they're pretty tunable, easily काम करा सकते हो लोगों का. On the other hand, space availability, you need to have good links abroad to source the parts, because यहाँ पे चोर मैकेनिक बहुत बैठे हुए हैं and they don't give you genuine parts. If you have someone in US and all, you can easily source good quality parts from them. And if as long as you maintain these bikes properly, they're not going to give you any trouble. Time to time service करा लिए हुए. Fuel injected bikes on the other hand, they're newer, they're a bit smoother, they provide better fuel efficiency, but they also require a lot of electronic chutiapa. If you want to get them tuned, if you want to get them calibrated or something, exhaust भी डाले तो power commander लगाओ, ये करो, mapping करो, लोड़ा करो, listen करो, all that's there. But in carbureted bikes, you can pretty much manually adjust and change everything. Your air fuel ratio, everything is pretty manual. But the only thing is you need a good mechanic, or you need to have some good experience, because you have to tune all the 4 carburetors in the same way. अगर एक की भी out रही setting तो the whole timing and all situation is different. Your one cylinder gets more fuel, the other cylinder will get more air, so that's fucked up. So you need a good mechanic to work on these bikes. But as long as they're maintained properly, man, this is proper old school fun, man. No ABS, no electronics, no loda lesson. Let's go ahead, give it some beans. Being a bit gentle with the bike, because it's a collector's item. Like a joke. Fuck. This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. So let's just wait out for my friends. My friends trying out my RX. It's completely ported and all. उसका भी वीडियो काफ़ी दिनों से pending है. I'll probably shoot that on the way back.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch.
I don't know. Not many motovloggers showcase and show such bikes. Alhamdulillah, अपने को access है ऐसे गाड़ियों को. So I just show them to you. So if you are planning to pick up something old like 2002, 2001 की कम में मिल रही है आपको, few things you need to be clear on. One, papers. Most of these bikes are going to be private imports, because back then showroom से तो आती नहीं थी. So you make sure you get one with valid papers. Check out the service history, everything. Preferably don't pick it up from a dealer. कोई पुराना single owner है, ले लो, get it checked with your local mechanic. Make sure everything is proper. Even if not, most of the parts can be sourced, because Japanese bikes are not that difficult to work on. Problem rises when it comes to Ducatis and Triumphs. Those bikes are a bit of an issue. बैठते बैठो. तो अब जुबेर हमारे पीछे बैठने वाले हैं. हेलमेट नहीं है उनके पास. कमेंटों में गालियाँ नको दियो. जुबेर भाई एक्सपीरियंस करना चाह रहे थे. 600 का लौंडपना यहाँ पे पब्लिक मारती है, अपन उधर ही चल जाएंगे. आवाज़ सॉलिड आ रही नहीं.
के बाद पीछे तो यहाँ पे आवाज़ ही.
जुबेर इज विद मी नाउ. ऐसा है. पहनना है वो. Oh, my RX is also quite mental now. थोड़ा उसका भी थोड़ा remaining tune-ups have to be done, paint work has to be done. Once all that's done, I'll be making a video. So yep, where was I? If you're planning to buy one of these, yep, papers sahi रहना. Make sure you get it serviced. And I'm not okay. So I'm not endorsed by Joe's or I'm not paid by Joe's, but quite honestly, because हमारे मामुआ चचाया पूरे हमारे तो खानदान दर खानदान 2002-3 से उनके पास कराता था काम. And he's a pretty renowned guy and he does excellent work. Most of the people outsource the work to him. So if you want to get your bike tuned up, checked, get it done at Joe's and keep it weekends पे निकालने के लिए. It's good. In fact, if you have good links for spares and all, you can use these bikes daily. Only thing, make sure you get one with valid papers because you don't want to be stuck in COP and DRI issues. Yeah, that's about it. Yep, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा carburetor में. I really hope the revolution starts and lots of people start restoring these bikes and experiencing it. Venture meter भी miles per hour में है इसका. That sound, but that sound is mental. Just to give you an idea of how fast my RX is. भैया एक बूस्ट दिया उधर, एक बूस्ट दिया उधर, खींचो. हाँ? Oh, I know it's gonna be hard for you guys to believe at first, but yeah, my RX is literally fucking with 200s, 250s and 390s. That's how fast it has become, all thanks to Nisar by NMW Racing. So that video is going to be coming up soon. Now let's just go home and relax. As for traffic maneuverability and all these old bikes, okay, so I've discussed this before as well and they'll discuss it now. The newer bikes focus more on agility, performance, track numbers, all that kind of bullshit, and they have all these caps like Euro emission norms and all that. So, you know, whereas the old bikes, they all focused purely on one thing, which was fun, experience. Old bikes had souls. You could tamper them, alter them, make them suit your needs, and it wouldn't cost you a bomb to do all that. And nowadays, it's all adulterated. खाली ट्रैक के नंबरों के हिसाब से बन रहे गाड़ियाँ, फुसफुसे आवाज़ां. So these bikes even look huge. They don't look very compact, and they're not compact, they're heavy. This thing is roughly 200 change kilos for a 600. That is quite a lot. Inline 4. And but it's fun. The experience you get, it's fun. Leave a smile plastered onto your face. क्या कर रहा रे भाई? H road मिली तेरे को मिलने रे.